So this is a quick quick video real quick at one of my co-workers' houses. They said they had a leak on the system. Now, I just threw my gauge on it for kicks. I don't know if y'all can hear it, if y'all know what a compressor sounds like, but watch this when we call for AC. Contact is already pulled in. I'm gonna pop the disconnect in. Let's see if y'all can hear anything or don't hear anything. That right there. Now those top numbers with the left and right, that's what we're looking at. So our gauges are pretty much even. Coils are dirty. Not real bad, but the top portion of it. But if y'all heard that humming, and then it stopped when it kicked on, so somebody came out and told them they had a leak. But that means our compressor's not running. Every now and then you'll hear that hum, that buzzing, and then it'll stop. So we're gonna go ahead and pull this. Then we're gonna do it one more time before we put the new capacitor on. Now listen to the difference on the startup. There's our compressor kicking on. We change the capacitor out. And we should be able to look at our gauges and see a difference in pressure from the high side and the low side. Go ahead, cake this thing down with some coil cleaner real good. Kind of got to get it at an angle to get the coils. Get it all in there, let it sit for a little bit. Not too long, just a few minutes, a couple minutes. Go ahead, break out the water hose and get them coils clean. You can see it just rolling off of there. It's definitely going to help the condenser remove heat out of the house more efficiently. And you want to do this, you know, at least once or twice a year, depending on how what type of area or environment your condenser is in. If you're cutting a lot of grass, a lot of trees. No. And we all set.